You see? How to use the steamer. Many people send me email what steamer I'm using that I'm happy with. I can see that many steamers, maybe they don't work, or maybe you're not using them properly. So that's a problem. I've got my blazer from Zara, which something happened there, but I don't care. And this is what happened after wash. After wash and after drying, because I'm not taking this blazer to the dry cleaners. I don't think so that I would like to pay like 20 euro for the dry cleaning, where I can put this to the washing machine and just wash by myself. A few times I give my blazers and jackets to the dry cleaners. They come back so stinky. I thought that they will be like new, like very fresh smell. I found them really stinky, and I say to myself that no more dry cleaners. I'm not sure what chemicals they use, and one time I had like a strong allergy on my whole body after I give a blows or something. I don't remember, but it was horrible, and I had the allergy on my hands everywhere, on the arms, around my neck, everywhere where I wore this thing. I had like red spots everywhere. That was after this. I say no more, and the smell, it is so bad. And even after I wash in my washing machine and in the very nice smelly laundry products, I still feel this horrible smell from them. After the nice smell like fade, the old smell come back. That's, I don't know, let me know if you are using the dry cleaners or not, because maybe, I don't know what is wrong. I know that sometimes the fabrics, they are stinky, sometimes the polyester it is actually the plastic, so sometimes it stinks, I know, and you have to be careful. The cotton should be nice and fresh, but not always, because it depends how the cotton is processed. So that's why leather, it is the best, just because leather always smell nice, especially the real leather, of course, smell nice, but the faux leather, sometimes it is fishy, and I said about this a video too. So the fishy boots, fishy smell of the jackets or things like that, sometimes they are not too bad, but sometimes smell, it is so horrible. Of course, it is not any ad, because I'm always trying to show you only things that I love, or sometimes things that you should avoid. But I would like to show you this steamer. It is very cheap. I bought it for like maybe 10 euro or 20, I don't remember, but it is just Philips. I made in China, just very cheap, very simple, nothing special, but this works really well. You see? Love it. Okay, so this is how we can make some. Of course, you have to use the distilled water just to not make any lime scale, but all the secret about the steamer, it is that you have to be patient. You have to make it very slow, very slow. I will be honest that I don't like this jacket from Zara, this brown, because everything sticks to this jacket, you see? It is whole, just I have to clean it with the sticky tape all the time, because it is very, very bad. So I like the shape and I like the color, but the fabric, it is horrible. So I don't know. I will ask my mom if she wants it, but I don't want to give her something that it is annoying. But maybe for her will be okay. I don't know. So yeah, this is how you can use it. Sometimes you have to be very, very slow. You don't have to worry because this steamer, it is not that high temperature to just damage anything. So it is quite safe for the fabrics. Maybe with the silk you have to be only, more careful. But for me it is so easy. Next blouse I've got a bit creased. I showed you this blouse last time in my vlog. Like I said, you have to be patient, very slowly. I think all I need is kind of the hanger that I supposed to just keep these things on, but can you see? It's much better and much easier than any ironing. Done. I think so easy.